types of tasks like summarizing and generating content. There are also generative AI tools for image generation, video and audio generation, for example, and also for computer vision.
Generative AI models are data-driven, so providing them with reference data or text is essential before they can be used. Providing them with highly relevant data provides the best output. In addition, offering guidance on the expected output will further improve the generated content.
How is AI being used in the workplace?
For example, if you're a knowledge worker, diba, wherein your work is about processing emails, writing emails, diba? So sometimes you'll write an email and then you think, I want to make this sound professional, diba? Or medyo mainit ang ulo mo, you're writing an email and then you think, I want to make this sound nicer, diba? So things like that, wherein AI is able to help you adjust the tone of your email. AI is now being used to complement, to supplement everyone, a lot of people in their everyday work.
What do you think? Like if I take a photo of my outfit and I ask Gemini, hey, what can I add to my outfit to give it more spice? Is it giving? Is it the vibes? Will Gemini be able to answer that? Definitely.
So for example, you can take a photo, diba? You tell Gemini, you're going to an event tonight. You describe your event. So let's say, is it a formal event? Is it an event with your friends? Diba? So that at least Gemini knows the context of the look that you're trying to go for. And then when you put in that image, and then Gemini will suggest maybe add a scarf, add a belt, change the color, hindi match yung shoes sa outfit. So things like that, diba? Now you have, basically a stylist in your pocket.
Oh my gosh.
According to studies, there are 4 main points where generative AI tools can help.
Number 1 is the customer journey or the chat journey. So many companies are already using generative AI solutions for customer support or chatbots like virtual tutors. The second is content summarization. So you can take a very big piece of content or a complex data set and summarize this into headlines. Third is content generation. So whether it's asking you to write a speech for a toast or for generating a new image or generating a song even. And the last is coding. So you can use generative AI tools for generating code that you can put into a programming language or to do data manipulation. And so for the newsroom, a rule of thumb is that you can't use generative AI as a source of information. There are efforts right now to try to mitigate that with tools that can detect deepfakes. They're not yet there, so it's harder to detect deepfakes. But there's also a campaign from media organizations to spread knowledge about how easy it is for deepfakes to spread so that they know what news outlets they could go to for trusted information and to not believe everything they see or read or hear online.
So is it true that AI will replace humans in the workforce?